How to use responsive AI with Wix Studio. If you want to use responsive AI, what you can do is you can just open the particular website that you want to use it in. And then from in there, just click on what part of the website you want to use it. I will use it onto this all posts section of my particular website. And then from in there, you can click on any blank space from there, and you should be able to see in here this. So in here, we have in here this purple icon, which is actually a responsive AI. So head over and click on it. And then in here, you can get a responsive section on all devices with AI. Click onto this generate now option that we can see right here. And then it should be able to generate a responsive design based on the actual part of the website that we have right here. So using this can actually save you a lot of time since you don't need to tweak it one by one on each part anymore. As you can see, it automatically switched to the mobile layout in order to generate a responsive design based on that. Later on, it will switch into the tab layout in order to change up the things has been added right there. So just wait for this to finish and you should be able to have a responsive layout. So that's how you use responsive AI with Wix Studio. Hope we helped.